Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to share you how to create a Google ad campaign for your e-commerce businesses. In this series video you already know I have already set up Google ad account, funnel, conversion tracking. In this video I'm going to share you how to create a Google search ad campaign. You know already, if you saw here already, I already create a campaign uh, and I have published 4 ad group. If you visit, if you check the performance of the ad group, last 7 days I get 250 clicks but no conversion, because I in the first situation I use maximize click bidding strategy. So however, in this video I already taught you how to create a campaign. So if you already seen, I have created a campaign already, but you can create a campaign very easily from my YouTube channel, because I make this video again and again. Just go my YouTube channel, search Amin top rated digital marketing specialist, top rated digital marketing specialist, and you will found my channel. And I'm in top rated digital marketing specialist. This is my channel. If you visit my channel, then here you can see in the just a minute, how to set up Google ad in the 7 minutes. So you can watch this video, because in this video I have show you step by step how you can set up your ad campaign very easily. So in this video here you can see I have shown you step by step how you can create a Google ad campaign very easily. So I share this YouTube video link on the description. You can check out. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you understand how can create a ad campaign. In the next video I will analyze the report, our campaign performance. I will analyze it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me ask. Thank you so much.